咁就係啦，就講關於個土谷嗰隻相嘅 ，OK， 所以你哋今日如果想問關於PS1 嘅嘢，或者你哋有啲咩故事想分享嘅話，你哋可以留低你嘅口述話俾我聽 ，OK？So if you guys know what did I post a few days ago, you will know that actually I'm going to share PS1, PlayStation 1. Okay, so if you have any story or anything you would like to tell me regarding on PS1, you may just leave that message below and let me know. Okay, maybe I'll give you guys like 1 minute, so I'll start by the next one. Maybe it's 11:34. Okay. So how's going, everyone? Because nowadays the weather is really like it's really extreme, I can say, because in the morning it's extremely hot, and in the evening extremely breeze and chill, I can say that. Yeah. And then because a few days ago the rain was like in Malay we call hujan perolakan, because I remember this word when I was in Form 1 because I learned it from my geography teacher, so I still remember until today. Okay, it's called hujan perolakan. It's something like it's like thunderstorm. Yeah, something like heavy rain. In a more common general, it's heavy rain, or more scientific is like thunderstorm or something. So it's just a scientific word for Malay, which is called hujan perolakan. So usually it will happen from January to May, and then it will rain it will rain around 3 to 4 p.m. But now the time has changed a little bit, because like 2 days ago it started to rain like around 2 something. Also, I was kind of shocked. It was really downpour, heavy downpour. Hi, 早晨，早啲早播聲。So it's like really a downpour thing. Okay, so I was kind of shocked because it was really huge and it was really heavy rain 2 days ago. But these 2 days like not really that heavy anymore. But it's much more cloudy, I can say. Just now I was driving through the downtown. The weather is kind of chill and breeze and not really that hot, but it's a little bit, as I say, it's a bit cloudy. Okay, yeah, that's the thing. So can I start now? Okay. Whoa. Okay, it was a little bit long introduction, but never mind. We will get into the topic now. So 就係咧。其實 PS1 咧，對於我哋呢一個年代，就係80年代之後嘅人咧，其實係好有回憶嘅。因為其實我嗰時候咧，我係比較初代嘅，因為我嗰時候我細個我係玩 Nintendo Micro Genius 先嘅。OK， 我記得我有兩架